Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change profile picture on Soundcloud. So first of all, open the Soundcloud application. Then you need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on the library icon from the bottom. Tap that. Then you need to tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Tap that. There on this page, you need to tap on the view public profile, that is their name on the SoundCloud. Tap that. It will direct you to this page where you need to tap on the pin icon just beside the share icon. You tap that pin icon, it will lead you to the page where you will be able to make changes to your profile. So to change the profile picture, you tap on the circle with your profile, tap that. Then you will have an option of to take a photo, choose from library, or to delete this profile picture. You can take a photo right now and upload it as your profile picture, but I will be choosing from the library. Tap on choose from library. Then here it will show you all the pictures that is on your phone. You need to choose a picture for yourself, then tap on tick mark on the top right corner. This will change the profile picture. You need to save this option, so tap on save on the top right corner, tap that. It will save the changes. So this is how you can change profile picture on SoundCloud. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.